If you're wondering how to enroll in a course in Coursera, the process is quick and beginner-friendly, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. You'll also find a link in the description below where you can check the latest Coursera discounts, including special offers available on Coursera Plus plans. First, visit Coursera and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're signed in, use the search bar to find the course you want to take. When you open the course page, you'll see information about the instructor, course content, duration, and pricing. Depending on the program, you may have the option to enroll directly, start a free trial, or audit the course if that option is available. After choosing your preferred option, follow the instructions on the screen and complete the payment process if required. Once your enrollment is confirmed, you'll instantly gain access to the course materials and can start learning right away. If you're planning to take multiple courses, it may be worth looking into Coursera Plus. Instead of paying for individual courses separately, Coursera Plus gives you access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, and specializations from leading universities and companies. This can be especially valuable if you're interested in learning subjects like artificial intelligence, business, programming, data science, marketing, or project management. Another advantage of Coursera Plus is that you can earn unlimited certificates and add them to your LinkedIn profile or resume to showcase your skills. So, enrolling in a course on Coursera is simple, but if you're serious about learning throughout the year, Coursera Plus can provide even greater value. If you'd like to check the latest Coursera offers, you'll find the discount link in the description below.